If you want to download and install Framer templates quickly and without confusion, this video is going to walk you through the exact process step by step. Framer templates are a great way to save time, speed up your design workflow, and launch a beautiful website much faster. So whether you are building a personal portfolio, a landing page, or a client site, this guide will help you get started the right way. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to framer.com/templates. Once the page loads, you'll see a library of available templates that you can browse through. Take your time here and look through the different categories, styles, and layouts until you find one that fits the project you want to build. Framer templates can be a huge shortcut because they already come with polished design elements, so instead of starting from scratch, you can begin with a professional foundation. When you find a template you like, click on it to open the template details. This is where you can get a closer look at the design and decide if it matches your needs. Pay attention to the structure, the sections included, and the overall style. If it looks like the right fit, look for the button that says Use for Free or Use Template. Depending on the template, the button text may vary slightly, but the process is the same. Click that button to continue. After you click it, Framer will open the template directly inside your Framer dashboard. This is the installation part of the process, and it happens automatically once you choose the template. If you are not already signed in, Framer may ask you to log in first. Just complete the sign-in process with your Framer account and then continue. Once you are inside the dashboard, the template will be added to your workspace and you can start editing it right away. Now that the template is in your dashboard, you can begin customizing it to match your brand or project. You can edit text, replace images, change colors, update buttons, and modify sections as needed. This is one of the biggest benefits of using Framer templates because you get a ready-made starting point that still gives you full creative control. If you want to make the site truly your own, spend a few minutes going through each page and making the necessary changes. If you are using the template for a client or a new website launch, it is also a good idea to check the pages, navigation, and any placeholder content. Make sure everything is relevant before you publish. That way, you can avoid leaving in any demo text or sample assets from the original template. It is also smart to preview the template on different screen sizes so you can see how it looks on desktop and mobile. And that's really all there is to it. To download and install a Framer template, you simply go to framer.com/templates, browse and select the template you want, click Use for Free or Use Template, and then it opens inside your Framer dashboard ready for editing. It is a fast and beginner-friendly process, and once you know where to click, you can do it in just a few moments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.